crispy pickle, few realize that behind that familiar flavor lies a high-tech symphony, where millions of cucumbers undergo a complex journey optimized down to the millimeter. Have you ever wondered how vast cucumber fields can continuously supply enough produce for the world with such astonishing consistency and quality? The answer lies not just in fertile soil, but in an industrialized production system that goes far beyond imagination. It is a complex harmony of technology, science, and diligent labor, where every stage is fine-tuned for remarkable efficiency. Right from the tiny seeds, the destiny of each cucumber is shaped by the absolute precision of automated seeding machines. Each seed is placed at an ideal depth, ensuring an optimal growing environment. After sowing, meticulous care through smart irrigation systems and precise nutrient control transforms these seedlings into lush, vibrant young plants. However, what few realizes is that even at the pinnacle of technology, the role of natural pollinators remains indispensable. Carefully managed bee colonies are maintained not only because they are excellent pollinators, but also because their nectar-collecting activity stimulates yield efficiency and enhances fruit quality. This is a little-known operational secret, a harmonious blend of agricultural technology and ecology, where natural intervention still holds a crucial position in the industrial production cycle. As the young plants grow, heavy with small cucumbers, the harvest time arrives. This stage best illustrates the combination of human effort and machinery. Although modern equipment has reached a high level of sophistication, for crops requiring delicate handling, like young cucumbers, human hands are sometimes the decisive factor to avoid damage and ensure quality selection. A skilled team of farmers, equipped with smart harvesting systems, works tirelessly under the intense sun, making sure each cucumber is carefully picked without compromising its freshness. However, not everything requires human effort. On massive production scales, technology has completely replaced manual labor. Automated harvesting machines, designed to efficiently collect, transport, and preserve cucumbers, have become true agricultural heroes. A single worker can supervise an entire system, dramatically reducing labor costs while boosting productivity. This leads to a staggering figure. China, the world's largest cucumber producer, supplies approximately 77 million tons annually. How massive is this number? Imagine filling over 770,000 train cars with cucumbers, forming a train more than 15,000 kilometers long, enough to connect Beijing to Paris and back again. That is a powerful testament to the efficiency and astonishing scale of high-tech agriculture. After harvesting, the cucumbers are transported to a temporary facility for cleaning. This is a critically important step, ensuring that all dirt, impurities, and pesticide residues are completely removed before they enter the pickling process. Workers manually inspect each cucumber, reaffirming that only the highest quality products reach consumers. The combination of modern machinery and the subtlety of human hands creates a robust quality control process. Next is the journey to the main processing unit, where the real magic happens. Trucks loaded with cucumbers are unloaded, and a final quality check is performed before they are transferred to colossal brine tanks. Imagine towering brine tanks, each holding hundreds of thousands of cucumbers awaiting transformation. Brining is the process where cucumbers are immersed in a special solution, containing each company's secret formula, imparting a distinctive tangy flavor. The brining time can range from 1 to 4 weeks, depending on the type of pickle and the producer's preference. This is a delicate process, demanding patience and precision. A slight misstep can lead to significant consequences. If the brining time is too short, the cucumbers won't achieve the desired tanginess and crispness. Conversely, if too long, they might become too soft or too salty, losing their inherent appeal. A difference of just a few hours can create a major distinction between a perfectly standard batch and a batch of inferior product, causing millions of dollars in losses for the manufacturer. Therefore, temperature, salt concentration, and pH levels are continuously monitored throughout the brining process without interruption using smart sensors and automated control systems. When the brining time concludes, heavy-duty lifting systems, specifically designed to handle tons of fragile pickles, gently remove them from the tanks. This is an impressive sight, as thousands of flavor-infused pickles are carefully transported to prevent any damage. When the manufacturing process reaches its decisive stage, pickle processing plants face a seemingly simple choice that profoundly impacts the market: producing sliced pickles or whole pickles. These two product lines serve entirely different segments, from family consumers to large restaurant chains, and require separate, synchronized, and optimized processing systems. For sliced pickles, this is where you witness the true power of industrialized agriculture in its most streamlined version. Ultra-fast slicing machines using laser-sharpened stainless steel blades operate at speeds of thousands of slices per minute. Each cucumber is fed into the conveyor belt, rotated slightly by an AI sensor positioning system. Then the blade descends with absolute precision, creating slices so uniform that they are difficult to distinguish with the naked eye. Compared to manual labor, the difference is truly immense. A skilled worker needs a full minute to evenly slice one cucumber, while an automated system can do it in less than a fraction of a second. As soon as the cucumbers are sliced, they are transferred to giant mixing tanks, where a solution of salt, vinegar, herbs, and spices is controlled by pH and salinity sensors. This is the soul of the pickles. A deviation of just a few milligrams of salt or a few drops of acid can result in the entire batch being discarded. This precision in every small step ensures that the pickles maintain their crispness, freshness, and distinctive aroma. But the most interesting part is that pickles are not just delicious, they are also incredibly good for your health. Most consumers only think of the crisp, tangy taste when it comes to pickles, but beneath that flavor lies a treasure trove of benefits. Thanks to fermentation, pickles contain large amounts of natural probiotics, supporting gut microbiota and improving digestion. Specifically, pickles made from Cornichon cucumbers, small but nutrient-dense, also help increase body hydration, especially on hot days. Some studies from nutrition centers in the US show that compounds in cucumbers can help regulate blood sugar, reduce sugar cravings, and improve energy stability throughout the day. However, this benefit is only truly maintained when manufacturers do not overuse sugar or artificial preservatives. This is a major challenge in industrial production, optimizing flavor without compromising health value. Therefore, each factory must carefully weigh every ratio, every drop of vinegar, every additive, a delicate balance between economic demand and food safety. Once completed, the pickles are moved to an automatic jarring system. Hundreds of glass jars travel on a conveyor belt filled with sliced or whole pickles. Then the brine solution is pumped in at a stable pressure, to prevent air bubbles. Finally, the lids are sealed by a heat press to prevent bacterial contamination. This process takes only a few seconds per jar, an astonishing speed compared to manual jarring in small facilities. When finished, these jars of pickles are ready to hit the market, from ordinary supermarket shelves to the kitchens of luxurious restaurants. Each jar of pickles is not just a food product, but also a testament to the perfect combination of modern agriculture, precise processing techniques, and strict food safety standards, an optimized journey from farm to table. When you switch to another processing company, you'll notice something interesting. Even though they all produce pickles on an industrial scale, each brand has its own unique processing identity. If one place excels at sliced pickles, another focuses entirely on whole Cornichon cucumbers, a small, crisp, flavorful type of cucumber, a source of pride in the European and American pickle industry. The process still begins with washing, disinfection, and sorting using conveyor belts and quality sensors. But it's when you enter the seasoning area that you truly feel the difference. Here, giant glass vats are filled with natural spices, garlic, peppercorns, dill, bay leaves, and especially star anise, a spice considered the soul that creates the distinctive aroma of whole Cornichon pickles. Star anise warm fragrance, but also creates a complex layer of flavor, making the product special and easily recognizable among hundreds of other pickle varieties on the market. While the seasoning department is being prepared, we cannot forget the health benefits that pickles offer. Cucumbers, especially when pickled with their skins, contain natural fiber that aids digestion, promotes bowel activity, and prevents constipation. The natural fermentation process itself adds a large amount of beneficial bacteria to the digestive system. When consumers enjoy pickles, they not only experience the characteristic sour, crisp, and salty taste, but also ingest a source of natural probiotics that help balance their microflora. Cornichon pickles, typically only 3 to 6 inches long, have a distinctive bumpy skin that gives them a rough texture but a refreshing crispness. This small size helps them maintain their shape during processing and fermentation, preventing them from becoming soft or deformed. Their flavor is also richer, stronger, providing a satisfying experience for those who love whole pickles. What creates the diversity in the pickle industry is the unique style of each company. Some prioritize light, fresh flavors suitable for a younger market. Others create rich, traditional European-style flavors. Some brands focus on small, whole pickle jars. Others develop sliced pickle lines for burgers, hot dogs, and fast food chains. But despite the different processes, the common thread remains the precision and streamlining of high technology, from high-pressure washing systems, robotic jarring, to magnetic sensor cap inspection machines. Every small cucumber, before appearing on supermarket shelves, has gone through a long journey. Meticulous cultivation using soil moisture sensor systems, automatic harvesting, AI-based sorting, cleaning and disinfection lines, soaking in brine according to secret formulas, and then being packaged and labeled with millimeter precision. All of this creates a sophisticated value chain, where tradition and technology merge to produce a familiar product that meets international standards. Ultimately, the question arises: will this modernization and automation diminish traditional quality, or is it simply an inevitable step to meet the demands of hundreds of millions of global consumers? Perhaps the answer lies not in the machinery, but in the perception of the consumer themselves. Share your thoughts in the comments section below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel to continue exploring the fascinating stories of high-tech agriculture, where every small detail tells a big story.